Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about PTFE Basket for Turbochef part number 100011. PTFE Basket for Turbochef part number 100011 is a replacement part for the Turbochef oven. It is made of PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, which is a non-stick, heat-resistant material. The basket is designed to hold food items during the cooking process and allows for easy removal of cooked food. The basket also helps to prevent sticking and burning of food items during the cooking process. The basket has a handle on one side for easy removal from the oven and can be used with any model of Turbochef oven. This part fixes the following symptoms. The PTFE basket for Turbochef part number 100011 is used to replace worn or damaged baskets in Turbochef ovens. It helps to ensure that food is cooked evenly and prevents food from sticking to the basket. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing basket from the Turbochef oven. 2. Place the new PTFE basket, part number 100011, into the oven and ensure that it is properly seated in the oven cavity. 3. Secure the basket in place by tightening the screws on either side of the basket. 4. Once secured, test to make sure that the basket is properly installed and functioning correctly before use. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.